What's poppin', my peeps? Another episode of the Monday Challenge. Really excited on this one. Doing it with my buddy Josh Haynes. Got him back here. Today's challenge is going to be vlogging without any dialogue. Monday Challenge. Let's get going.
No. You almost opened your mouth, and that means you would have lost 20 bucks. Well, there was a secret bet that I had with some other people that you could not do this all day with not talking. No. And me? No, I'm done. I'm done doing this. I can't be quiet. I do have one thing to ask. If I'm a better YouTuber, don't say anything. That's what I thought. Which one of these, long or short? Which one is the one that you prefer? I think that's, can't use your words. Can't say schmedium, because this looks like a schmedium to me. Oh God. I do, however, have one question. Yes, I'm talking to you. What are those? What are those? Bro, I'm in the middle of a video here. Like, my camera apparently likes you better because it tracks your face instead of mine. Like, I'm pretty sure he's being tracked right now. Like, hello, look at me. I'm over here. Look at me. No. I can feel his 4K being zoomed in post on my face. I can feel it, like, just... Yo. Whoa, look at this place! That's very nice. Tell me, just real quick, so just hear how quiet that is? That's the sound of Burke not being able to talk.
Is he not able to talk right now?
Yeah, it's his challenge. He can't talk this whole vlog.
The whole vlog?
It's been so peaceful.
That's nuts. Hey, am I able to park in that driveway right there in front of the garage? Because I did.
This was probably one of the hardest challenges that I've done since I started this YouTube channel. I really enjoyed this challenge, and it's definitely something I would like to try and do again. Reason is because I think there's things that I missed. Now, I noticed as I was putting it together, there's things that I wish that I had done, so maybe down the road I'll do it again, who knows. If anybody wants to try this challenge, I highly recommend doing it because it's going to challenge you in a visual storytelling way. You can't use dialogue, so you have to find a way to tell a story visually. So get after it. My peeps, get after it. Actually, you know what? This is what we're gonna do. I'm challenging you guys. I'm gonna call all my peeps out. You guys are gonna, I want you guys to film this challenge this week. You have until Friday so that I can incorporate it into next Monday's video. You have until Friday to submit your video. Tag me on Twitter, hashtag the Monday Challenge, and I will pick my favorite and I'll shout it out in next week's video. So next Monday, I'll shout it out. You have until the end of the day this Friday, which is the... I don't have my phone on me. It's someday. I'll put a thing right... Whatever day it is, it's... Boop. There you go, right there. Yeah, give it a go. I'd love to see you guys do this. And if you don't, then I just look like a big dumb idiot. I think I'm going to close this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button. Yep, the like button. Smash that keyboard. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you aren't already. Ring that bell. And we'll see you soon. Peace!